Hey everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So tomorrow we are having Zach and Sam over, and I wanted to make a shrimp mold. It's keto friendly and it's something that I can eat with pork rinds, and it's really yummy. Alright, first we are going to add our can of tomato soup. And we are not going to dilute this. We are just going to put this in the pot. Then we're going to take 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm just going to cube it just so that it's easier for it to dissolve into the tomato juice. So then I'm going to add my cream cheese. Try and keep these separated so they don't stick together. Y'all, this stuff is so good. Okay, we're going to put this on low, and we're going to slowly heat this up. I'm going to put it on about 2. While I have my concoction heating up over there, I'm going to cook these shrimp. It's about 1.5 pounds of shrimp. We just want to cook them through. We don't need any seasoning or anything in them. Just might put a little olive oil so they don't stick to the pan, but that's it. So while we have the soup mixture and the shrimp cooking, we're going to go ahead and chop up 1/3 cup of celery, very fine. Let me go stir my stuff. I'm going to do 1/3 cup of green onions, finely chopped. Alright, the shrimp are done. I'm just going to drain them. And then we're going to take them over to the cutting board and chop them up. Alright. So we're just going to chop them into little pieces. They are super hot. I should let them cool down, but my mixture over there is almost finished. So you just want to cut them into tiny pieces. Then you want 1/4 cup of hot water and 1 envelope of gelatin. And get that dissolved. Then we want to add this to our soup mixture. We want to stir this well, and then we're going to remove it from the heat for 20 minutes. We'll be able to get everything else ready in that 20-minute time frame. Is that a sad sack or what? He's sad Mom won't play ball with him. And I'm in here cooking. Hi, Chunky. Are you sad? He's such a sweet boy. Alright, we only have a couple of minutes left to wait on our soup concoction. We're going to go ahead and spray our mold. And this is a fish mold. Spray it with Pam, or whatever spray you have. Okay, our tomato soup concoction is done. We're going to put in 1 cup of mayonnaise. And then we're going to put in our shrimp. And then our celery and green onions. We're just going to mix this together. You can add salt and pepper to taste. You can also add as much Tabasco as you want. Alright, we're going to get our mold over here. And we're just going to pour everything in here. Hopefully it all fits. And it did. Okay, we're going to put this in we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge overnight. I just cover it with some press and seal. If you have saran wrap, aluminum foil, it doesn't matter. Alright, it's the next day. Time to flip it.
I've never done the flip before. Does it fall right out or?
No.
Okay. Maybe if you just ran it along the edge for a couple inches like that. Of course, you don't want to ruin what it looks like either.
It? Yay! Alright, that's how you get it out. Zach and Sam will be here soon and we'll all have some shrimp mold.
It's really good. I've had it several times.
Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.
Melissa's shrimp mold is done. It smells really good. Are you camera shy?
May comes up and we'll just boop him and then run away. And then Felix is like kind of alert, but he's kind of stupid, so he's just like, okay. And then you'll like get all cozy again.